It's very common to have abbreviations in your web page, but sometimes we need a way to show the user on the browser what these abbreviations mean. A common way is once the person hovers over the abbreviation, the full definition is shown. So we have a text. JSON is a standard text-based format for representing structured data based on JavaScript object syntax. Wow, that was a long one. But in this situation, we have an abbreviation, JSON. So what is JSON? So to include the definition or the actual meaning, we're going to have it surrounded within the abbreviation element. So this is the abbreviation element, ABBR. Now within the abbreviation element, we have an attribute title. This is where you put the actual meaning of the abbreviation. In this case, JSON means JavaScript object notation. So if you look at the JSON and I hover over it, you will notice that the actual title is displayed. This makes it easy to understand and makes your web page clearer and everyone happy.